We're trying out this swing trading strategy on boom and crash, and we're going to see how we can use it to milk the market successfully. However, before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, I use this platform to explain different strategies on how you can keep on milking the market, trading boom and crash and other forex assets. Okay, and of course, just take your time to browse through my channel, learn the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So this is boom 1000. I would like you to have it on 5-minute time frame. You can see right here from this resistance zone, like I've always been telling you, we have the resistance zone and we have the major support zone. Okay, so we also have the trend of the market, and these are trend trading assets. That is why this indicator is very important. Okay, right from here we got to the resistance zone, and if it's not going to break out from the resistance zone, then definitely it should change the direction of the assets. Okay, which means that it should stop a buying trend and changing it into a selling trend. And as you can see, it started selling right from here, gave us a downtrend signal, and of course it also gave us a sell signal right from here, and of course it started selling right from there. You can see it selling and selling and selling. Okay, that's beautiful, right? So you know what, you can place your order around there, and as you are getting into profit, you lock up some part of your profit till you get to the very end of the trend. And when it got to the support zone, check out what happened. It played around there for a while. It was unable to break out below the support zone, so it started an uptrend right from there. You can see the green dotted line, which signifies an uptrend, and of course these big green dots, which signifies a buy signal. Okay, which means that we should buy from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so if we decide to buy from here, it will give us an opportunity to buy into the market for a very long time. You can see this is so amazing, guys. So this is how you can use this opportunity to milk the market successfully. Check it out. Right from here we got a sell signal from somewhere here, and so till it got to this region and got a buy signal, and of course we bought till it got to the end of the trend. That's so amazing, guys. So you guys can go ahead and try this out. Okay, you will love every part of it. Okay, all you just need to do is just to follow the instruction on the indicator, okay, of the indicator, and of course you will definitely get it right. And remember, guys, for every order you are creating, make sure you set a stop loss for it in order for you to secure some part of your capital. And as soon as you start making profit, lock up your profit, some part of the profit, with your using your stop loss. Okay, so this is very, very important. It's a simple strategy which you can always put into use on daily basis in order for you to constantly make profit on daily basis. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.